everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. A couple of days ago, I showed, I have to grab it, a tutorial on how I made this, I don't know if I should call it a mini album. It's a post-bound album. Let's call it that. I used the new collection from Graphic 45 called The Beach is Calling. It is a fabulous collection. Obviously beach theme with seashells and starfish and beach chairs and just all sorts of fun things. Well, one of the ambassadors from Graphic 45, Patty Scraps, made this, not this one, she made one using Life's a Bowl of Cherries, and it was a great project. So I recreated it using the Beach is Calling, and I was pretty happy with this. But I decided I had still more scraps left, and you may have heard me say that once I open a collection, I've got to use it up. So I used it up. So this is the latest version of Tatty Scraps' post-bound album. Obviously, the big difference is there are feet on it, and as well, it's a little bit bigger, even without the feet, which makes it look bigger. Um, this one, the covers are 4.5 by 6.5, and the pages are 4.25 by 6.25. This is pretty much all 4 by 6. But after I made that, and I was thinking, all right, how are we going to put photos in here if we get 4 by 6 photos? And I decided to change a little bit of it. So there is a tutorial on this. The only difference, again, the covers. So you need to cut 4 covers, 2 for the inside, 2 for the outside, and you cover them with chipboard. And then you can decorate the front of it. And then the pages, again, as I said, are 4.25 by 6.25. I mean, I think that's the biggest difference besides the feet. And I just thought the feet would make it just a nice element. So as you can see, I still had a couple pieces of the chipboard frames and tags that I just was happy with layering. This is a piece of linen color cardstock that I put the chipboard frame on. And I'll have pictures after here. The other thing about this one is I did not stuff this full with pages to decorate. This one is pretty full, and I did need to have a ribbon to open it. But by making it a little more loose, these pages come out so much easier. So this is how the pages are. So again, they're 4.25 by 6.25. So you can put 4 by 6 photos on. So blank page, decorated, cardstock, blank page, decorated, cardstock on chipboard. So that's what I did. I interspersed some pages with, some are just plain pattern paper. Some are blank cardstock that I decorated, and then some, this is just pattern paper. This is just pattern paper. This is chipboard, lightweight chipboard that I decorated. Pattern paper, lightweight chipboard that I decorated. Pattern paper. This is cardstock that I just added elements to. Pattern paper, cardstock with pattern paper on it, cardstock with pattern paper on it, chipboard. And now that's the front side. Now, of course, the back sides are also decorated. That's the last page, and that's the chipboard. And I'll just go through these fairly quickly because I don't think I decorated that many of the back sides. But yeah, gives you room to put your photos on. You could leave, like this one, you could leave blank and just journal on here, or put a smaller photo. Or you could put a photo and then rate something down at the bottom. You could rate with a white or silver gel pen here. I think that's about it. There's a little pocket on that one, and that gives you room to journal. And I just pieced together some things that I had. So that's pretty much it. See, these will fit in a little easier because there's more room because it's not chock full. So that is the project I made. Here is the first one. There's the second one. Not that much difference in size. The legs make it look different. But anyhow, I wanted to show you that. And thank you again, Teddy Scrap. And this is on the Graphic 45 blog, or go into their inspiration page and you can find her project with Life's a Bowl of Cherries. She did much more as far as embellishing and layers in the front than I did, especially on this one. I did layer some more on here, but beautiful, just fabulous. So go check it out. Thank you so much for watching and have a fabulous day.